In search of a productive yet entertaining method, in this video, we'll compare three of the best asset management software solutions: Snipe-IT, Homebox, and GLPI. So let's get started. The first product on our list is a straightforward open source IT asset management solution known as Snipe-IT. It specializes in managing assets only. It allows tracking hardware and software inventory, allocation of assets to employees, check ins and checkouts, barcode scanning, and notification via emails of license expiration dates. Snipe-IT is free or open source, provides cloud version with 99.99% SLA, introduces new features regularly, approximately once every couple of weeks, and delivers bug fixes daily. The main feature of Snipe-IT lies in its clear-cut design and interactive dashboard from which administrators will have quick access to accessories, components, and consumables owned by the company. In terms of comparison, users found it more user friendly and easier to set up compared to GLPI. Next, we have Homebox. Homebox is an inventory system that is lightweight and can be self hosted, but with a contemporary feel to it. The inventory system is meant to make it easier for people at home and small teams to keep track of their inventories or organize themselves without having to go through a lot of trouble. Although Homebox is not yet ready for prime time since it's in beta, it offers the ease of use and simplicity needed by a wide range of users who have varied interests such as electronics, tools, collections, or any type of physical or intangible property. Lastly, we have GLPI. GLPI is one of the best service management tools featuring powerful enterprise level functionality in 2026. This system is very modular, combining help desk, CMDB, asset management, project management, finance management, software licensing inventory, knowledgeable base, and reporting into one tool. GLPI offers such functionality as ticketing, asset lifecycle management, network scanning, and ITIL compatible workflows, thus being a good choice for those companies that need integrated solutions for IT service management and asset management. This software stands out with its flexible customization and detailed reports, which makes it a perfect choice for larger businesses. On the other hand, GLPI is more difficult to install and use than some other software. So, what software should you use? Snipe-IT stands out in terms of simplicity and basic IT asset management capabilities thanks to an intuitive interface designed for asset lifecycle management, automatic notifications, barcode and QR code scanning, but the software cannot offer such helpful modules as a help desk and service management as compared to GLPI. Homebox is easy to use and can be described as the best choice when you want something simple and more personalized and need no heavy duty resource consumption. However, being still in its beta version, it lacks many advanced features offered by more established solutions. On the contrary, GLPI is your best bet in case you have a complicated IT infrastructure that requires comprehensive management features and help desk support. Choose the best depending on your preferences and try Snipe-IT if you prefer simplicity and basic IT tracking. Choose Homebox if you want to work on your own or at home without any hassle, or if you need enterprise level features with a lot of flexibility, select GLPI and enjoy your IT management.